with ChatGPT. I am currently on the marketer's cruise. I'm going to show you it in the shortest, fastest video ever. And then I'm going to do a full deep dive when I get back. So just say deep dive below if you want access to the full deep dive of this brand new ChatGPT feature. It is called Tasks, and it's so cool. You can ask ChatGPT to do something and then to send it to you at a certain time. So watch. I go right here. I can schedule tasks. It's asking ChatGPT to follow up later. So you can ask it to follow up with anything, but you can also ask it to send you something specific. So I can say, like, please act like a marketing expert with a deep understanding of human psychology. Send me a video title, description, and hook every morning at 7 a.m. and remind me that it's important to stay consistent. Now, I would actually do this with our full prompts that make it really good. I'm just going to show you that this works even if I don't spell things right. Okay, watch. It's so cool. Okay, the first time that you do it, it actually asks for approval, and then you have to allow notifications, and then it will actually send it to you. I am just going to show you how to edit it once you do it. So you go right here, and this is the instructions here, and the task is set up here. I am so excited. It is so cool. I'll be doing a full deep dive, so let me know if you want the deep dive. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's amazing. There's so many possibilities. I'll be giving you a bunch of prompts and everything. It is dope. Bye.